Honey, the ice maker is not making any ice. In this video, I test and replace the ice maker in my refrigerator's freezer. First, I check the voltage between L and H, and I get a reading. Then I check between L and M, and I don't see a reading. I then test between T and H. Theoretically, this should make the motor spin automatically, but it's not moving. And I'm not getting any reading on it. At this point, I think it's going to be easier to try and replace this rather than try to troubleshoot it more and fix it. I turn it off and start to remove it. I remove several screws that are mounting it to the freezer, underneath, on the side, and on the top. The last thing holding it together is this plug. Before I unplug it, I decide to make sure the water line isn't frozen by jumping the V and L together. Water does come out, so there is no issue with my water line to my freezer. I unplugged and removed the ice maker from the freezer. I googled the model numbers to get a replacement part online. Please see the Amazon affiliate link in the description below for the unit I used to replace my ice maker unit. I do earn a little commission if you do buy something from that link. This is my replacement unit. I follow the instructions, starting with installing the lever that turns on and off the ice. The replacement unit came with multiple plugs. I just used the one that matched what looked like my old one. You can slide the plug wires through the wire holder. Now I add all the mounting brackets. I proceed to plug the unit back in and put it back in place, but it's not fitting correctly. What's wrong? I found one issue. My water dispenser is a half circle, and you can see between my old and new units, the old unit has a groove for that circle. The new unit doesn't have this groove. I have to cut this out. Now I'm able to plug and screw everything back into place. These frozen vegetables help me prop it up and hold it so I can screw in the top pieces. put the ice bin back in and turn the lever down to turn the ice maker on. I pray that'll work and check in 24 hours later. Let's see if there's ice. There's ice. Wonderful. It's working. I dumped this first batch of ice just in case there's anything funky going on with the ice maker or water. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, liking the video, or commenting below.